my channel. My name is Robin and this is my closet. I am filming outside today, so I have like a jungle here. There's birds, owls, you name it, are like talking in my video, so I apologize in advance for that. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of future videos, and a thumbs up if you like it. And as always, if you're returning, thank you so much for your loyalty. And if you just subscribe, thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope you enjoy the videos. So today I have a brand new subscription for me. It is called Bath Blessing. And I saw this on another YouTuber's channel, and before she even finished it, I was already ordering it. And I can tell you, when I went to take it out of the mailbox, the whole mailbox area smelled like this box. So I can't wait to get into it. I will leave a link and the cost of this box below, as always. But if you're a bath person, I think this is the box to get. Now, I just have to figure out how to open it. I hope you guys are all having a great day. This is how it's wrapped. So beautiful. And I hate to untie the bow, but there is a card. And it says, special thank you and offer for Bath Blessing Box subscribers. Oh, so there is a coupon code that I'll leave below that you can save $10 for if you decide you want to get this. So that's pretty nice. And as I said, I could just smell this box. And of course it's got the squiggly things, and you know they're gonna go all over the patio and the man's gonna get upset, and then I could go take a bath. So it has the card in here. Even this card smells delicious. So it's got all the products in there, so I'm not gonna peek. So the first thing, oh my God, this thing is huge. Natural Annie Body Wash in Island Breeze. Okay, I have to open this. It's got oil blend of coconut cream, citrus, melon, and orange essential oils. And I hope I can open it and smell it. Sorry. Sometimes I forget you guys are there. I get so involved. Oh, it's got the little thing. And I'm gonna open this because this is gonna go right in my shower. Oh my goodness. Yeah, right in the shower. So this is a super nice size. And then there's this. Not sure what it is, but it's very pretty. Is it a towel? So it's a towel, and it's got tassels, and I know the perfect spot that I am going to put this. So that was pretty. Then, oh my goodness, it might have been this that smelled. It's a little sachet. Now I have to be careful. I put sachets in my drawers all the time, and then of course I take them out after a few months because they probably don't smell anymore. But what I found is some of them are so strong that they get on my clothes, and it's almost like I'm wearing too much perfume. This one smells really, really good though. And there's a bar of soap. Fresh Rain Gardenia. Oh. olive oil, water, coconut oil, avocado oil, and this soap is vegan. Oh my, I just can't stop smelling these products. And there looks like there's one more thing in here that is kind of falling apart because it's actually two. And I am so excited because I heard about these and have never got one. In all the boxes I get, have never ever received one. It's a shower steamer. So when you go to order, you can choose if you take more baths or more showers or what you like. And I put down showers. And this is juniper and fir shower steamer. And this one is Babe. Oh my God, but look at the size of these. I guess you just put them on the floor of the shower and let it do its thing. So there was 1, 2, I don't know if you count these. There's 2, 4, 5, 6 things in this box, and I thought it was like opening heaven. So let's find out everything that's in here. There's the Fresh Rain Gardenia Artisan Soap. And this doesn't give prices of the items, you know, what they retail for, but that's so okay because of the price of the box. You know you got more than your money's worth. You can either get bath bombs or the shower. So I didn't get, obviously, the bath bombs. And then the Island Vibes body wash. Oh, that thing smells so good. The Bath Beach Bouquet. That was that little sachet. And then the Turkish towel. My mom used to say Turkish towel all the time. And as a kid, I never knew what that meant. It is designed for wrapping your head after bath or shower, or to twirl around on the beach. The benefits of the Turkish towel include quickly whisking away excess water. Oh, I never would have guessed there was a towel. The lovely yellow and white stripes are perfect for laying in the sand. Now, this is a great towel, but does all this look like it's gonna get on this? So I'm just gonna use it as a table liner to put all my products on there. But I do like it, and it feels very, very thick. But they obviously didn't meet me before they made the size of the towel. And then I got the shower option with the steamers. So it was a great box, and on the back it's got pick something for each day, try a new vegetable, try a new outdoor cafe. So it's got all sorts of little things on the back. I'm giving this a 4 cactus because I think it hit all the buckets of taking a bath or taking the shower. It had everything that you would need, and the smells are awesome. So I can't wait to try it. Again, let me know what you thought of this box. I'm definitely gonna get it again because just the shower steamers alone I know I'm gonna enjoy, and that bath oil smelled great. So leave your comments. Again, I will leave a link with the $10 off so that you can give it a try if you so desire. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.